Hey guys, today's Wednesday, January the 11th of 2023, and I'm going to do a quick update on the Nifty 50. A lot of things are cooking here. So without any further delay, let's get into it. I wanted to start off with the monthly chart, just to kind of give you a backdrop of what's happening. You can see right here, we had a MACD crossover somewhere around March, April. Have you noticed that the volume has just been dwindling on the Nifty 50? Interesting. While it was going up, and we consolidating here, accumulation distribution, volume has just been going down. MACD remained negative on the month. And using the Hikanashi system, you can see that now we have a red candle. The trend is down. We have to see how this month closes in January, but we all know that seasonality-wise, January is weak. I want to just say excuse me for my sound. I'm a little nasally today. The allergies are really affecting me today here in Nashville. So this is the weekly chart, and you can see that. I don't know if you can see that really well, but that's the MACD right here, and it's been negative since December the 26th. This is the high here. You can see that volume was strong on that high on the 28th of November. And then the bears came in, and this was high. Not as high as this, but a lot of selling pressure on January, the first week. And this is this week. This line right here is the 1x2. Or you can say the 2x1 because it's pointing up. Is struggling to get above that angle now. So it's interesting to see that. We haven't really popped out of the supply zone, but it's kind of hovering sideways. Still on a buy signal on the weekly. That's what's that? 16,860 hasn't breached that yet. If we put our regular candles, you can see that's just a lot of back and forth going on here. And this is the daily cycle, and it peaked. You guys already know this, January the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, around there. And now look at this rejection of this 1x2. Let's go to the daily chart and see what we have there. And yeah, I think I already went over the MACD and just showing you the volume. It's the negative, and the bulls came, but look at the bulls. The bulls were the strongest here, November the 28th. And on the 26th of December, they weren't as strong. But whoever took them and overpowered them was the bears. And it was getting close to this cycle peak. And they really came in hard and pushed it lower. This is the daily. And let's see if we could just make this a little smaller so we could kind of get an idea what's going on here. So we kissed that 1x2, went up. This daily cycle peaked around the 3rd, 4th, kind of going back, oscillating, back and forth. Tested the 1x2, still trying to stay above it, went below it, found support here at this swing pivot low, bounced back up, was rejected on that angle, and then yesterday we sold off, and today kind of a little bit like an inside candle. So this is your level you want to watch. That's 17 77.4. If it violates that and goes back up and tries to test it and fails, it could go hard down. But I was guessing that it was probably going to bounce, find support here, test that, maybe go back and forth, maybe break above, but it hasn't happened yet. It's like weaker. You might want to try again. But if it fails, the more it fails here, the harder it is going to get above. But once it breaks it, it's gonna back test it from the top. And if it finds support, there's a lot of buyers. It may want to retest that, but we'll see. We just know that the daily cycle's peaked, so that's gonna put pressure on it seasonality wise. January's weak, so that's against it too. The volume is I don't see the bulls coming in as strong as they used to. I think that's it. I don't want to make this video too long. Just want to show you my thoughts, what I'm seeing. I haven't been showing you the other charts just because I'm already kind of dissected what's important here. And you guys all know the weekly cycle. And I've been trying to do a back test to the weekly cycle right here that's been negative all the way since I feel like it's shifting back all the way to it was probably over here, and it's just moving back. This yellow one's the daily, and it's been negative while the Nifty 50 wants to push higher. So this fascinates me because I want to see how this is going to get resolved. Is the Nifty 50 going to continue pushing higher? Maybe this cycle is losing its strength, this weekly. I don't know. We'll see. But this one now is like unfocused, this daily one, and see what that's going to play out. Well, I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the Nifty 50.